Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the Claude 3.7 AI model. This innovative AI is taking the world by storm, and in the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through what makes it unique, how it works, and what makes it stand out. Claude 3.7 is the latest iteration of Anthropic's AI models, and it's named after Claude Shannon, one of the fathers of information theory. Claude 3.7 is designed to be more humanistic than its predecessors. That means it's not just good at understanding and responding to text, but it's built to be more intuitive, safer, and aligned with ethical principles. It's like having a conversation with a friend who always has your back, and here's why. First off, Claude 3.7 has a better grasp of context. It's able to remember details in conversations and understand subtle nuances, making the experience feel more fluid and natural. Whether you're brainstorming, coding, or just chatting, it adapts to your tone and provides more accurate, human like responses. But that's not all. Claude 3.7 has been optimized for safety. It's been trained with guardrails in place to reduce harmful or biased outputs. That's really important in today's world where AI needs to be accountable and responsible. It's also faster than ever. With powerful underlying tech, Claude 3.7 can process complex queries quickly and efficiently. Whether you're asking it to summarize a long article, generate creative content, or even answer highly technical questions, it gets the job done without breaking a sweat. And here's the game changer. Claude 3.7 is designed with transparency and explainability in mind. This means when Claude gives an answer, it can explain how it came to that conclusion, which helps build trust. You're not left in the dark about how decisions are made. For example, let's say you give it a 5 paragraph article. Claude can quickly summarize it and even offer insights into key themes or questions you might want to explore further. It's like having a personal assistant who's both smart and helpful. But wait, there's more. Claude 3.7 isn't just for professional tasks. Whether you're a student, writer, or content creator, it can help you with research, content generation, or even just having a meaningful conversation. So, what's the bottom line? Claude 3.7 represents a major leap forward in AI. It's smarter, faster, and safer than ever. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.